In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Google Docs. If you're writing a research paper, an essay, or any document where you need to cite a source or add extra context without interrupting the main text, footnotes are a really useful tool. The good news is that Google Docs makes this process very simple, and once you know where to click, you can add them in just a few seconds. To get started, go to your Google Doc, open the document where you want the footnote to appear, and then place your cursor in the exact spot where you want to insert it. This is important because Google Docs will add the footnote reference number right at your cursor location in the body of the text. Usually this goes at the end of a sentence, often after the punctuation, depending on the formatting style you're following. Once you're in the right place in your document, move to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains a range of options for adding different elements into your document, including images, tables, links, and of course, footnotes. If you've never used this menu much before, don't worry. You only need one option here for this task. After clicking Insert, select Footnote. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will automatically place a small reference number in your text and take you down to the bottom of the page where the matching footnote number will appear. This is where you can type the note itself. You can enter a citation, a source reference, or a brief explanation, whatever you need the footnote to contain. One helpful tip is to keep your footnotes clear and concise. They're meant to support the main content, not overwhelm it. Also, if you add multiple footnotes throughout your document, Google Docs will number them automatically in the correct order, which saves you from having to manage them manually. Another useful thing to know is that you can repeat this same process anytime you need another footnote. Just place your cursor where you want the next one, click Insert, then Footnote again. Google Docs handles the numbering and placement for you, so the process stays quick and consistent. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where to find the option, adding footnotes in Google Docs is easy and efficient. If you're working on academic writing or any professional document, this is a simple feature that can make your work look much more polished and organized.